Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments yesterday. We had a pretty good storm here in Chicago, rains across the Midwest. Overnight prices are about unchanged. I think the corn and bean market is trying to maybe make a bottom for now just to see what happens as far as key issues are concerned. This time of year, the markets trade weather, and the USDA came out with the corn crop ratings this week almost record high, and it caused the market to sell off. The question mark now is, where do we go from here? It's interesting that this morning, the 2-week GFS weather model is showing a ridge of high pressure building next week across the Midwest. This could bring 90 to 100 degree temperatures across most of the plains and Midwest with no rain. So we'll just kind of see if this is a one-shot wonder or if it's something that dominates the weather for the month of June. June weather, July weather is still key to corn and soybean prices. Also, the factor is what's going to happen as far as U.S.-China trade relations. We've got Commerce Secretary heading to China with a list of things that they would like for the Chinese to buy, and we'll see if they can kind of smooth out relationships and if the bean market can gain back some that we've lost this week. The Brazil trucker strike is over. The Canadian Pacific Railroad strike is over, so we'll see if the things start moving again logistically in those parts of the world. So in general, we're trading weather, and we're trading any trade issues between U.S. and China, which makes things somewhat difficult to predict. I still think there will be one more bounce in prices on weather-related issues for especially corn and beans. Wheat's up to Russia, and the Russian situation looks like it's going to stay dry for at least in the next 2 weeks. But we're also approaching U.S. harvest, and so that might put a lid on prices for a while. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.